can I have a second to think?
Hey there, I'm Sahil. I'm in my 4th year of mechatronics engineering.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm in my 2nd year of computer engineering.
My name is Rejoice, and I'm a fourth-year environmental engineering student.
I'm Brianna, and I'm a third-year mechatronics engineering student.
My name is Michael, and I'm in my 4B term of nanotechnology engineering.
I'm Juliet, and I'm in my 4B term of chemical engineering.
And today we're answering questions about Waterloo Engineering from Reddit.
Considering the job market, is the co-op advantage still worth it? I would say 100% yes, because even though the job market is really tough, Waterloo has a lot of great resources for you to get co-op jobs. And when you ultimately leave the degree, you'll have more experience than many other university programs.
Having the opportunity to have 2 years of co-op experience broken up into 6 different terms to try a couple of different things in your career, I think is still really beneficial for you by the time that you graduate.
How did you end up making your closest friends?
So I was in residence in first year, and most of the friends I made and still have today were from residence. And also in my cohort, it's really small and we're all close. We know each other really well. I made a lot of friends there as well. And also just attending events on campus, whether it being engineering, women in engineering, residence events, and other clubs, I was able to make friends that I still have.
I remember when I was applying to university, I was very nervous about, finding friends, and there's so many opportunities. You just need to put yourself out there, go to clubs, sign up for intramural sports, go to the engineering events, and you'll definitely make a lot of friends there.
Do you? Oh. Have to be exceptionally smart to handle the pressure at Waterloo. How much time do you spend studying per day?
I don't think you have to be exceptionally smart to study at Waterloo. If you've been accepted, it means Waterloo thinks you can handle it here. And honestly, you don't need to spend that much time studying per day. What's more important is that you develop study strategies, I think, to make sure that you can manage your time effectively. And noting to that as well, there's a lot of time for fun in between studying too.
Yeah, for sure. I totally agree. I think you were probably accepted for a reason, whether that's extracurricular and your courses. There's something about you that made you stand out in the application.
Is Waterloo really as tough as my friends make it out to be or not? It is if you make it to be, because again, at the end of the day, you could spend 20 to 30 hours every week or even more trying to study and get that 99% if that's what you're looking for. But if you really are just trying to do not necessarily only a master's or a PhD program, you can be okay with getting slightly lower grades, and that would give you a lot more time to actually be well balanced, have a social life, get some activity in per day.
Yeah, I mean, Waterloo is definitely tough. There's no denying that. Engineering is just a rigorous program. But like Michael said, if you take the time to really do things that you enjoy doing, then it's not as tough. And I think it's really important to prioritize continuing doing fun activities and not just studying.
You have an amazing community of support. There's advisors, your friends that you meet along the way, your professors, your lecturers. Just there is support, and there's lots of people you can reach out to for help if you need it.
Yeah, one thing I've noticed is that everyone at Waterloo is going through the exact same thing, right? And so you become really good friends with everyone around you. Everyone's really in it together, and everyone's very helpful and supportive. So that's one thing I love about it here.
What's the best advice you have for someone just starting in Waterloo Engineering? Going into engineering at Waterloo, you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. So just put yourself out there, grab every opportunity that you can, go to the events to socialize, network, and meet new people.
Really prioritizing doing the things you love, especially 1A. It's a big learning curve in terms of studying and coursework. And also, it might be your first time living on your own, which is a whole other thing in itself. So really trying to find the time to do things you enjoy will help a lot.
I would honestly just say, have fun, get involved. There's so much to do here at Waterloo. There's the engineering society. There's a ton of events. I personally got really involved in design teams, so I like really building a lot of stuff. And so design teams was kind of my outlet and how I had a lot of fun in first and second year.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you on campus in the fall, and make sure to watch out for the geese.
Ugh.
maybe just end it there.